Okay, so here we are with question 7 from, I don't know, some exam. New Year's party, fireworks, who knows what's going on here. Basically, let's just get into it. And I know you've got starred C and D to go through, but we'll do A and B to get there as well. We've got a parabola, so we can actually forget the whole story, except maybe see that this is a bridge. But let's just fancy this a little bit and go, well, the x value there is 0, so we just need to work out the corresponding y value if we want point A. Let's go point by point, actually. Point B looks like it is the turning point, the highest point. Well, turning points we know how to find, right? Because turning points, we can either complete the square, put it into nice turning point form, or you could cheat and go do a little minus b over 2a to work out the x value of the turning point, sub that in to find the y value if you've got the function. Of course, you've got the two x intercepts, it will just be halfway in between, for the x value at least, from symmetry. Okay, so anyway, D is the turning point of the other one. Okay, same thing applies. Okay, C is the 1x intercept, looks like the positive version, so that's 0. So if we could solve, if we've got the equation, we can just solve our equation, factorize, quadratic formula, whatever works for you, and we'll just ignore the negative x intercept and choose the positive one. Again, E, well, same story, that's the x-intercept of the other parabola 2. Okay, so let's look at what we're given and what we really need to do, although that may have given you enough information already for most of the questions. Okay, the parabola 1 is modeled by the equation. We got the full equation, bang, we got A without even thinking, well, the coordinates of point A. Okay, so A you've got, because you know x is 0 at that point, or t in this case. Okay, t is the blah-de-blah. Find the, well, write down the height of the bridge. Write down because there's no real working. Calculate how long the rocket is in the air before landing in the water at sea. Okay, well, we spoke about that already. It's one of the x-intercepts. You can solve, not too bad. Determine how high above the water rocket 1 reaches. Okay, well, again, we've kind of talked about this, isn't it? Rocket 1 is that one over there. So, its highest point is at point B. Well, that's the turning point. Parabola 2 reaches its maximum height of 60 meters after 4 seconds. Oh, we got point D here. So we got 60 meters after 4 seconds. Let's just pause and see what we've got for this one over here. We've got the coordinates of point A. So we've got 1 point, which will give us a value for free, right? Because at t equals 0, ht equals c. We've got another point over here. We've got its turning point. Okay, there's something we could sub in, but now we might be short of some ideas, but we do have what it is in turning point form, sort of, because we know that for parabola 2, y equals ax minus p squared plus q. So we've got that where we're just trying to find out, oh, okay, again, maybe more informations, and that's all you need, and you've already clicked off the video. Maybe not, maybe you're still listening, and, it looks like there's only one thing we need to figure out. Okay, I've put it in x here, I should put t here, this is all t. So the two forms are y equals at squared plus bt plus c. Remember, we got c already from A, and that should give you enough information at least to play with. This is not intended to be a video that went through every last detail, but gave you some ideas. So you can always ask more questions in whatever form or in the comments below. No, don't remember to like and subscribe. Okay, hopefully it was somewhat helpful.